Is it beating?
Yeah, it's going boo-boo, boo-boo, boo-boo.
Okay, that's good. So he's alive?
Yeah. Oh,
Now what do you have to do to him?
first I have to do this. This fan.
Look in his ears and his eyes?
Yeah. Oops. Stop.
What do you see?
Nothing. Oh, Mom? I'm gonna go get some toys for Bear, like something to make him feel better, make some medicine. Get him some medicine.
I thought he wasn't sick.
But he is sick.
Oh no.
And he has a really bad day.
Yeah.
Know what happened?
What?
There's cult.
What?
I crashed.
Oh no. While he was in the cart?
Yeah, and I was trying to go through with all my snacks, and then
Yeah.
I was trying to go down because Sophia was in a way plane, so I was trying to go.
And you crashed?
Yeah.
Poor Bear.
And then I was trying to do that, and
Okay.
then he fell out.
Oh, he fell out?
Yeah.
Oh man. Oh.
Then he has a boo-boo.
Maybe he needs an ice pack?
No, I don't have any.
We have some.
Sophia, I'm sitting there. That's where I sit.
Hi, Sophia.